Do borrow this. Let's go on. Which means hello, good morning. I said the beginning words with Konkani language. That means today I'm going to prepare a Goan dish. It's awesome rainy day today and it's nice and cold and I'm enjoying the wonderful cold weather and love to have something nice spicy dish. I'm going to prepare a Goan dish. So today we're going to make Goan Vindaloo. For Vindaloo, they primarily use pork, but we are going with the buffalo meat. So let's have a quick look at the things that we require to make this awesome curry. As you can see, these are whole red Kashmiri chilies. I have taken 20 of these and we need to soak it in the water. I have already washed it and now I am soaking it in the water. For the masala, 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1/4 of star anise, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 20 black pepper. It's a normal tamarind. I have soaked it in the water and we'll be requiring 1 tablespoon of the tamarind pulp, half a teaspoon of jaggery, few curry leaves. Sorry, I don't have fresh ones. Here we are taking 600 grams of buffalo meat. Cut it in a cubical way, square shape, and I'm taking less of meat because we'll be adding this to that. Potatoes, 3 medium size onions, and I've taken 1 small bunch of entire garlic, as you can see, and a small piece of ginger. Actually, we are supposed to use a Goan or a Parsi vinegar, but I don't have it. So I'm going with this white vinegar. We need to break the stem, okay, of the red chili and put it in the blender along with the spices I'm going to tell you now. If the chilies are very hard, you can actually soak it in warm water. My chilies are really soft, so I'm not soaking in the hot water. Just washed it thoroughly, soaked it for 5-10 minutes, and the chilies are soft enough to be put in the blender. Super great. A nice cool breeze. In this goes 4 teaspoons of vinegar. We're gonna marinate all this, and then all our spices which I showed you: cinnamon, clove, pepper, cumin seed and star anise. All the spices, garam masala will go into it. If you don't have whole raw red chilies, you can also use red powdered chili. You have to take 3.5 to 4 teaspoons of red chili powder. Then goes the garlic and the ginger. Roughly chopped, because anyway we're going to grind it. There goes the tamarind. We're going to make a fine paste of this. This is the fine paste. We don't need all the paste, we only need a little bit to marinate this meat. My hands are burning. Oh, what a nice color, red color. And in this, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt so that it gets marinated well. And then we're going to leave it for 1 hour. All non-veg we need to marinate. Unless we marinate, the curry won't come out that good. Need little bit of effort, marination, patience to wait and marinate it for 1 hour. But then you get the awesome curry. So let's keep our meat for 1 hour for marination. So guys, let's begin with our preparation of the curry. So I am opting for coconut oil. You can choose as per your likings. No hard and fast rule. I am opting for coconut oil because our curry is fully based on red chili, right? Red chili will be too spicy. So to reduce the effect of chilies, I am using coconut oil, and that too little bit extra. So I am taking a little bit extra oil to reduce the spiciness of the red chili. 3 medium-sized finely chopped onions. We need to fry our onions for 15 minutes till it becomes nice and golden brown. To make it tender and to enhance the taste of these roasted onions, I have added a little bit of salt, because remember we have added salt even for the meat marination. Now we fry it till golden brown on a sim flame so that equally all the onions are roasted and cooked well. See the color of the onions? Nice, right? Nice golden brown. Awesome red paste. If your paste is too dry, you can add 3-4 teaspoons of water, not too much of water, just 3-4 teaspoons of water, and then you can mix it well and fry it. You know what, friends? Because of oil and vinegar, we can actually refrigerate this for 2 days. For 5 minutes, we keep on stirring this masala, and now I am adding this marinated meat. When we marinated it, and the balance of the red paste into that, so it's totally gonna be a red curry. If you are watching me carefully, you would have seen I haven't even used even 1 pinch of turmeric powder or coriander powder in this particular curry, isn't it? Mix it well, and then on a sim flame we gotta cook it till the meat becomes tender. Mix well so that all the masala gets nicely coated on each part of the meat. Oh, awesome. Food is such an awesome thing that God made it, right? The normal way of cooking is you leave it on a sim flame, put the lid, and you let the meat become tender. Till the time you gotta wait and wait. And I am not gonna wait it. I am gonna go and put it in the pressure cooker. Quickly I can cook the meat. My kids are hungry. I am hungry. Looking at this, see the color of it, awesome red brownish color. I am hungry. I'm gonna go for it in an easy way. Straight in the pressure cooker, I will be putting this meat pieces along with the curry. Guys, if you have time, please cook the meat in a sim flame till it becomes tender. I am doing in a shortcut way to make the cooking faster, right? And then add 4 cups of water. Add the potatoes into that. Let's close the lid and do the pressure cooking and place the whistle on it. Cook it on a full flame. When the first whistle comes, please put it on sim flame and cook for another 25 to 30 minutes. So finally, my steaming Goa beef vindaloo is ready. It's spicy, it's tangy, it's sweet, and it is awesome. The presence of vinegar, you can feel it when you eat this. So it's a very unique curry. I request please try it out. For this Goan beef vindaloo curry, we're gonna have it with our special Satish's own lemon groundnut rice. That recipe we're gonna cook for you another day. As of now, let me sign off. Before signing off, yes, subscribe if you haven't yet to continue watching our awesome vlogs. Take care. God bless. Bye.